go. My building. What's in there? I think I've been in there. Oh yeah. They're the ones that called the dickhead on me. I don't open. Robot thing. I'm gonna have a look up here. Ooh. That's pretty cool. Smells of coffee. Can't really see. My public building. Oh, it goes up higher. The mayor's suite and boardroom. Really? Public gallery? Public? Bullshit. What the fuck is that? Member suite? Member of what? There's some... So I'll take the lift. Can you do it? I don't know. Oh yeah.
Travel down.
Oh yeah.
Door closing.
Don't feel like nothing's happening. Whoa. I've just pressed 0. I'm not
Ground floor.
I hope I'm not in the fucking car park.
Door opening.
Huh?
Door closing.
I didn't see that before. Let's go and find these people. That's where they called Tony on me. Let's see where the CCTV is, because I want to request it. Hi, have you got CCTV cameras in here at all? No? No? So no. Yeah, Tony's going to be arrested, by the way, anyway, for assaulting me, for doing something that's completely illegal. So you can call the security if you want. I've already contacted the police and they said it's perfectly fine what I'm doing. So do what you want, idiot. You need to learn the law. Really need to learn the law.
You're not allowed to video us.
Oh,
You don't have
you're in a public building.
Can you just ask security to come around? Because that guy back you again.
Guy, we're not in America. We will not tolerate physical or verbal abuse towards our staff, but they'll quite happily call someone to assault me for doing nothing. Jokers. It's weird that I wander around the whole building, no one gives a shit. But I come here and you seem to be like all weird about it. What are you trying to hide? You're hiding something. Why are you scared of a camera, eh? Oh yeah, don't worry, my zoom on this isn't, I won't be able to see anything in there. I'd call the police if I was you. Call the police. Call the police. Oh look, red alarm. Look, set alarm off. Fucking hell. For video recording. I'm gonna get jumped on in a minute. I know it. I might go that way. Don't mind me, mate. I'm not looking at you.
That's fine.
Actually, head towards the police station. See if they'll come with me to the police station. Tony, let's walk to the police station so they can tell you the law, eh? Yeah. I'm heading there now, so, yeah? This is getting weird.